In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Bluetooth on-off button missing in Windows 11. If you're facing this issue, it can be quite frustrating trying to connect your devices wirelessly. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through the solution, step by step. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, we need to head to the settings on your Windows 11 device. You can easily do this by clicking on the Start button on your desktop and selecting Settings from the menu. Once in the Settings menu, your next stop will be the System category. Clicking here will open a variety of system-related options, which is where we want to focus our attention. The next step can be a real lifesaver in troubleshooting. You're going to want to click on the Troubleshoot tab. This tab houses a collection of troubleshooting tools that can automatically detect and fix common problems with your system, including issues with Bluetooth connectivity. Once you've made it to the Troubleshoot section, you'll see an option for other troubleshooters. Go ahead and click on that. In the list of troubleshooters, you should find an option dedicated to Bluetooth. Select Bluetooth from the list of available troubleshooters and click the Run button. Windows will now take over, scanning for any potential issues and automatically applying fixes. This can potentially solve the problem right then and there, so give it a couple of minutes to complete the process. If by chance this doesn't resolve the issue, we have a couple more steps to try. Head back to the Start button, right-click it, and choose Device Manager from the pop-up list. Inside Device Manager, locate and expand the Bluetooth section. This will display all the Bluetooth hardware connected to your system. Check for your Bluetooth adapter here. If the adapter icon appears gray, this indicates that it's currently disabled. Simply right-click on the Bluetooth adapter and select Enable Device. This should activate the Bluetooth functionality if it had been deactivated for any reason. For those persistent issues, you might need to uninstall and reinstall the Bluetooth driver. In Device Manager, right-click on the Bluetooth adapter again, but this time, select Uninstall Device. After it's uninstalled, restart your computer, and Windows should automatically reinstall the default Bluetooth driver, which often resolves deeper issues related to drivers. And there you have it. These steps should help in resolving the missing Bluetooth on-off button issue in Windows 11. Always make sure your Bluetooth drivers are up to date to prevent such glitches in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Stay tuned for more troubleshooting tips and solutions.